Hello and welcome to the Morning Bulletin. This is Sania Patel and you are watching HW News English. Let's dive into the top stories of the day. RSS leader Indresh Kumar clarified his controversial remark on BJP's performance in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, asserting that the polls demonstrated the defeat of those opposing Lord Ram and the rise of those committed to restoring his glory. Earlier, Kumar had sparked controversy by attributing BJP's restriction to 240 seats to its arrogance. The gruesome murder of Renuka Swami, a 33-year-old fan of Kannada actor Darshan Thugudipa, has captured national headlines. Allegedly killed for derogatory comments about actress Pavitra Gowda, Darshan's close friend. The police have arrested over 15 people, including Darshan and Pavitra Gowda. The investigation reveals a chilling conspiracy involving prominent figures from Darshan's fan association. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau on Friday at the G7 summit in Italy. Amid strained India-Canada ties over the killing of Khalistani terrorist Hardeep Singh Nijjar. This was their first meeting since Trudeau accused Indian government agents of involvement in Nijjar's killing last year. Canada has arrested 4 Indian nationals in the case. Amazon India is under scrutiny after allegations of harsh working conditions at its warehouses in Manesar, Haryana. A 24-year-old worker revealed to the Indian Express that employees are often asked to pledge not to take breaks, including for water or toilet visits, until they meet specific targets. These targets involve uploading packages from large trucks in temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius during a heat wave. The worker earning Rs 10,088 monthly for 10-hour shifts over 5 days a week described the pressure to perform without adequate rest, struggling to unload more than 4 trucks a day. Alak Pandey, founder of Physics Wallah, has petitioned the Supreme Court to address alleged irregularities in the NEET UG 2024 exam. The petition claims the National Testing Agency arbitrarily awarded grace marks to over 1,500 candidates. Pandey seeks the expert panel to scrutinize the exam process. The controversy includes allegations of question paper leaks and widespread legal challenges. Well, that's all for this morning bulletin today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.